Okay, Arish, better come here. So, Arish, today our topic is science facts. Are you ready for the topic?
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to ask you some question which is related to the science and you will give the answer. So, first question is for you. Red blood cells are produced in.
Bone marrow.
And what is the smallest unit of body?
Cell.
Very good. Madhav? Madhav, bete tell me best conductor of electricity.
My answer is silver.
Largest gland in human body.
Liver.
Very good. Nakshita? Nakshita, bete tell me the king of metal is.
Gold.
And metal found in blood?
Iron.
Very good. Gunjan? Gunjan, tell me how many poles a magnet has.
2.
Can you tell me the name of both poles?
North and south.
Very good. Hitiksha? Hitiksha, bete tell me the scientific study of water.
Hydrology.
And first organ transplanted in human?
Heart.
Okay. Raghu? Raghav, bete tell me how many teeth a snail have?
32,000.
And largest human cell?
Ovum.
Okay. Now Abhas. Abhas, bete tell me we should keep away magnet from which home appliances?
My answer is TB.
Okay. And magnet should be stored using?
My answer is keepers.
Okay, keepers. Karthik? Karthik, bete tell me living things are made up of?
My answer is cell.
And living thing respond to?
My answer is stimuli.
Okay, stimuli. Now Dishant? Dishant, bete tell me larger sieve is used to separate pebbles from?
Sand.
And unicellular organism have that how many cell?
1 cell.
Okay, very good. So Pradyuman, what is the full form of WBC?
White blood corpuscle cell.
And what is the full form of RBC?
Red blood cell.
Okay. So Vedita, today our topic is science facts and I am going to ask some questions related to the science and I hope you will give the answer. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First question is for you. What is found in largest quantity on earth?
My answer is water.
Okay. Which snake lives in a nest?
My answer is king cobra.
Okay, go. Raghu bete, you will tell me sugar found in milk. What do we call it?
Lactose.
Aradhya, bete tell me SI unit of energy.
My answer is joule.
Element used in nuclear bombs.
My answer is uranium.
Go. Tasbia, bete tell me which animal breathes through skin.
My answer is frog.
And diamond made of which element?
My answer is carbon.
Okay, Aditi. Aditi, bete tell me metal found in our blood.
My answer is iron.
Very good. Now Chirag. Chirag, bete tell me smallest part of the brain.
My answer is midbrain.
And largest artery in human body.
My answer is aorta.
Okay. Ayush. Ayush, tell me what is the smallest unit of body?
Sir, cell.
What is the largest part of the brain?
Cerebellum.
Okay. Asjad. Rarest human blood group.
My answer is AB negative.
Very good. Aradhya Sharma. Largest internal organ.
My answer is liver.
Okay, good. Pavyanshu. Which planets do not have moons?
My answer is Mercury and Venus.
And what do we call science study of water?
My answer is hydrology.
Okay, good. Okay, Lakshit, come here. So, Lakshit, today our topic is science facts. And I am going to ask you some questions based on science fact. And I hope you will give the answer. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your first question is, treatment given to the injured person is called?
First aid.
When a bone cracks or breaks, what do we call it?
Fracture.
Okay, good. Divya? Divya, bete tell me, gas is in kurkure packet
Nitrogen.
and pencil is made up of?
Graphite.
Good. Aradhya? Aradhya, bete tell me, many people bleed from the nose in which season?
Summer.
And which is the smallest unit of body?
Cell.
Okay. Piyush? Piyush, bete tell me, surface, what is the surface temperature of sun?
6,000 degrees Celsius.
Okay. What is the pH value of pure water?
7.
Okay. Name a plant which grows in hot desert.
Cactus.
Okay, go. Lovely. Lovely, cough is caused by?
My answer is virus.
And infection is spread mainly from?
My answer is touch.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which body part do we use to see?
Eyes.
Arushi, bete tell me, AIDS is caused by which fatal virus?
HIV.
A plant has system?
2.
Okay, good. Kashish, tell me, metal found in blood?
Iron.
Okay, good, go. Rishabh, tell me a greenhouse gas.
Nitrogen.
Okay. Aryan, a molecule of ozone is made up of how many ozone atoms?
3.
Okay, go. Kaka, tell me, a balanced diet does not contain.
Junk food.
Okay. A balanced diet includes a little of different type of.
Food.
Very good. Once tell me, air usually does not allow electric charge to pass through. It is an.
Insulator.
Repulsion of between two bodies always implies that both of them are charged.
Same.
Okay, go. So Vasu, come here, bete. So Vasu, today our topic is science facts, and I am going to ask you some questions based on science. So first question is for you. What is the SI unit of force?
My answer is Newton.
Very good. And what is the measurement of moisture in the air called?
My answer is humidity.
Okay, go. Divakar, bete, tell me what natural disaster is measured using a seismometer.
My answer is earthquake.
And what do you call the force that pull object towards the earth?
My answer is gravity.
Okay. Shiva, bete, tell me diamond made of which element?
My answer is carbon.
And metal used in iPhone?
My answer is gold.
Okay. Harshita, bete, tell me which gas do human inhale?
My answer is oxygen.
How many bones are there in a human body?
My answer is 206.
Go. Dipanshu, what is main organ of human body responsible for pumping blood?
My answer is heart.
Okay. Which planet is known as the red planet?
My answer is Mars.
Okay, go. Chahat, bete, tell me largest gland in human body?
My answer is liver.
Go. Udit, how many teeth a snail have?
My answer is 32,000.
Okay, best conductor of electricity, metal.
My answer is silver.
Okay, go. Arush, bete, which substance give us energy?
Fats.
Lactose is found only in.
Milk.
Okay, go. Aryan, what is the main source of energy produced through photosynthesis in plants?
My answer is glucose.
Which blood group is known as universal donor?
My answer is O positive.
Okay, good. Okay, Lavisha, bete, tell me which continent has the most countries?
My answer is Africa.
Ishika, bete, tell me who is the founder of Amazon company?
My answer is Jeff Bezos.
And what is the study of human body?
My answer is human anatomy.
Okay, Damni, which animal breathes through skin?
My answer is frog.
And which gas is used in photosynthesis by plants?
My answer is carbon dioxide.
Okay, Shivi, best conductor of electricity?
My answer is silver.
Fastest fish in water?
My answer is shellfish.
Okay. Manvi, bete, tell me gas responsible for blue sky?
My answer is nitrogen gas.
Okay. So Sagun, your question is which is the largest part of the brain?
My answer is cerebellum.
Okay, very good. Lucky, you will tell me resolution of human eye
My answer is 576 megapixel.
and surface temperature of sun?
My answer is 6,000 degrees Celsius.
Very good. Aksh, bete, tell me strongest bone in human body?
My answer is femur.
Okay. And sugar found in milk?
My answer is lactose.
Okay. Divyanshu will tell me beauty bone in human?
My answer is clavicule.
Clavicule. Okay, good. Abhi, bete, tell me which blood cells do not have nucleus?
My answer is blood platelets.
And who discovered protons?
Rutherford.
Okay. Tarun, anemometer used to measure?
My answer is wind speed.
Okay. Ansh, bete, what is the atomic number of iron?
My answer is 26.
Okay. Gaurav, tell me, bete, what does xylem in plants do?
My answer is transport water.
Which phenomenon is responsible for the blue color of the sky?
My answer is scattering of light.
Okay, very good.